Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace support. Whether you're dealing with email delivery issues, account problems, or need technical assistance, knowing how to reach Google's support team directly can save you valuable time and get your workspace running smoothly. Again, first, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your gateway to all administrative functions within Google Workspace. It's important to note that you'll need to sign in using your administrator account, not a regular user account. Only administrator credentials will grant you access to support options, so make sure you're using the right login details. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the admin console. You'll see a Get Help icon that resembles either a question mark or a life preserver. Click on this icon to open the support interface. This is where you'll begin the process of reaching out for assistance. In the box that appears, type a brief description of your issue. For example, if you're experiencing problems with email delivery, simply type email delivery failure and click send. Google's system will use this information to guide you toward the right support resources. You may be prompted to select the relevant Google product related to your issue, such as Gmail, Drive, or Calendar. Choose the appropriate product and click submit. The system will then display suggested help articles that might solve your problem. Take a moment to review these as they often contain quick solutions. However, if these articles don't address your specific issue, type Contact Support in the box and click Send. Next, you'll need to select This is a new issue unless you're following up on an existing support ticket. This ensures your case is handled correctly. Now you'll see options for your preferred contact method. You can choose Chat for live chat support or email to send your issue via email. If you select Chat, choose your support language from the available options. Then in the Provide More Details box, type a detailed description of your problem. The more specific you are, the better equipped the support agent will be to help you. Click Connect to Agent and wait for a Google support representative to join the chat. If you selected Email instead, monitor your inbox for a response from the support team. Thanks for watching.